Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. When I moved to this location, Shave Nation, 7 years ago, there was already a Pergo hardwood floor installed here, and it's one of those engineered wood floors. And let me just say that old world European craftsmanship was nowhere to be found. So not in this floor installation. There are a lot of gaps and spaces in between these hardwood planks, or these Pergo engineered wood planks. And I've been looking at them for years thinking, how can I get those back together? I tried with my boot, hitting it with my heel, getting them to move a little bit. They would just get scuffed up and not move. So that didn't work. And then the other day, I bought something to pull some dents out of a car right here, a suction cup. And I was sitting here and I saw it and I thought to myself, I wonder if I could use that to get these floor planks to come back together. So I gave it a try, and guess what? It works like a dream. So I'm gonna show you right now how to get your Pergo hardwood floor back together, your engineered wood floor, and no more cracks in between. All you need to accomplish this, a small brush to brush out the crevice in between the two planks so that when they come together, they can meet all the way. There's nothing stopping them. And you need your suction cup, of course. And one other thing, a rubber mallet. You'll feel like Thor using it. If you don't have a rubber mallet, you could probably use a metal hammer, but make sure it's flat. Don't use a ball peen hammer for sure. Put something up against your suction cup to cushion the blow, a block of wood, something that will absorb the impact. You don't want to smash the suction cup, the plastic on it. That's why a rubber mallet is perfect for it. So you want to find your plank, which is spread apart right here. And you can see that's about a 1/4 inch distance in between these two planks. We're going to see if we can get these back together quick and easy. Take the brush, just clean it out. Make sure there's no debris in there that's going to prevent it from joining all the way together. Get it nice and clean. Now take your suction cup. Make sure it's on one plank. You don't want to be across two planks or it won't work. So I'm on one plank. I'm going to lock it down like so. Now I'll just take my mallet right here and just gently tap on the back side. You want to turn this way so the handles don't get in your way when you're tapping on it. So check it out. Here we go. I'll just tap on this gently and we'll see if we can get it to come together. There you go. Just a few wraps in 10 seconds and it's all the way back together. Pretty amazing. I hope this little demonstration helped you how to get your Pergo engineered hardwood floor planks back together again. They've been missing each other. They need to be reunited again. So this will help you do it. I'll put links to the suction cup underneath where you can pick one up if you need to. You can also use this on glass, tile, pulling out dents from the car. Just make sure that your suction cup is the proper size for the task at hand. For the Pergo engineered flooring planks, it needs to be small enough to fit inside one plank. You don't want to be trying to push two planks. It's not going to happen. You want to just have it the right size, the proper size, so that it fits inside one plank, and then you can tap it and get it to slide. Nice and easy. Please do me a favor before I bug out. Smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell up there, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.